Integrating telephony in DCO Cloud Connect sessions. Objectives. At the conclusion of this video, users will know how to incorporate a conference call line into their Connect session rooms. Additionally, users will know how to manage the telephonic audio of their conference call during a Connect session from within the Connect room itself. One of the enhanced features of DCO Cloud is the ability to integrate a conference call into a DCO Cloud Connect session room. Setting up the audio profile for your DCO Cloud Connect account is pretty easy. However, while the DCO Cloud service is currently free, the conference call integration requires a paid conference call account from one of the 3 providers available for it to work in the DCO Cloud Connect room. Here are the 3 providers that an organization can use with DCO Cloud. Meeting One is the only one of the 3 that offers a free trial for your organization to try out and test. Let's see how easy it is to register for your free trial account. Meeting One offers a free 30-day trial of their telephony service that integrates with Adobe Connect. Users will have full usage of their Meeting One conference call in as many Adobe Connect sessions as they would like for the first 30 days. The only limit is that each conference call is maxed out at 25 participants. To sign up for your free Meeting One trial, visit https://www.meetingone.com/node/126. Simply fill out the data as seen here. In the Who Did You Work With at Meeting One or Referred To box, select Daniel Hansen. Once you are finished, click Submit. An email will be sent to the address you specify with the details about your conference call line. You now have 30 days to try the service. Since you now have a conference call number, we can now integrate it with your DCO Cloud Connect room. Here's how to set up your audio profile. First, log into your DCO Cloud Connect account. In the upper right-hand part of the site, click on My Profile. Then click on My Audio Profiles. Then click New Profile. Next, based on your conference call account, enter in the required information. Again, note that each conference call service asks for different information, whether you're dealing with Arcaden, Intercall, or Meeting One. Ensure that you are entering the correct information for your conference call account. When done, click Save. Now that you have an audio conference call profile associated with your DCO Cloud Connect account, you can attach your conference call to any meeting. When you are creating a meeting, in the audio conference settings, select the middle bullet and then select your conference call. If by chance you have more than one conference call associated with your DCO Cloud Connect account, select the appropriate one you want to associate with your Connect room from the drop-down window. Finish the process of creating the meeting and your conference call account is now integrated with your DCO Cloud Connect room. Once you have launched your DCO Cloud Connect session, you will need to start the meeting audio to connect the conference call with your DCO Cloud Connect room. To do this, select the Audio menu from the top, then select Start Meeting Audio. Once you select the Start Meeting Audio from the Audio menu, this dialog box appears. You now have several methods to broadcast your audio. One method you can use is to broadcast your audio through computer speakers by selecting the Using Computers option. This will allow your attendees to hear the Connect session through the computer speakers. If you choose this option and want attendees the ability to freely converse with the host, ensure the Enable Microphone Rights for Participants is engaged. If you select Using Phone, attendees will be able to listen in from their phones. Depending on your setup and the setup of your attendees, you may want to use one or the other type of setups, or both. When you have selected the audio options that you want for your Connect session, click Start. The conference call will then connect to the audio conference bridge. When you click on the Start button to connect the audio, the following is displayed. Note the special message in the upper right of the Connect room. This is telling you that the Connect room is trying to establish a connection with the audio conference bridge. When a connection is established, a message will appear here informing you as such. When an attendee enters the room, they will be presented with a dialog box with several options. These options are based on what the host has set as output options. The easiest way to join is to enter in your phone number here and have the Connect room dial you. If you'd prefer to dial a conference call yourself, you can select the middle option and the number will be presented there for you. Lastly, if you'd rather just listen in via your computer speakers, select the third option. Once you've decided which option you want to use to connect with a conference call, select that one and then click Join. Now that we have connected our audio conference call with the audio bridge, we start to see new icons appear in the attendee pod. These icons will change depending on the status of the person affected. Notice the difference between what is currently shown for the host, the telephone icon, which means the host is not muted but is also not currently speaking, and now the headset icon, which means the host is not muted and is currently speaking. The participant icon with the phone number shows a muted icon. If the attendee is listening in via their computer speakers, they will not have an associated icon unless they by chance have microphone rights. When this is the case, the user will have the microphone icon next to their icon name, as in the case here with our guest name MacBook. Let's say you had an Adobe Connect session set up for a certain day and time, and you notice one of your key attendees isn't present. Well, you can have the Adobe Connect Room call them right from the room itself. To do this, from the audio menu, click Call a new user. Simply enter the person's name and phone number, and the room will call that person. If you have a lot of attendees in your Connect session room and you wanted to mute them all before your meeting starts, you can, all from within your Connect room. Simply click on the audio menu, then enable lecture mode. All participants will then be muted. One of the advanced features of integrated telephony is the ability of the host to merge calls with people already in the Connect room. For example, in this Connect session, we see that we have a user named MacBook who is currently in the room, but not on the phone. Notice there's no icon next to him. And then we have a person who is called into the telephone line only. Notice that the number is just listed as a number. The host, realizing that these two people are one and the same, can merge them by dragging the number over and dropping it on the name of MacBook, as seen here. Notice that there is now an icon of a phone associated with the MacBook. Finally, one of the great benefits of having your DCO Cloud Connect Room integrated with a telephonic conference call is that when you record the Connect session, the audio traffic over the conference call is also recorded. This is a great benefit to those who wanted to attend the Connect session but couldn't. Now, those that missed the session can take part in the session on demand by seeing the Connect Room and listening to the audio, all of which was recorded seamlessly from within the Connect session itself. To start your recording, go to the Meeting menu and select Record Meeting. Enter the title of your recording and a brief summary, if desired, and then select OK. Your meeting and the telephonic conference call audio is now being recorded. If you would like a DCO Cloud account or more information about DCO Cloud, simply email dcocloud@caresoft.com.